Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Traverse LS all-wheel drive, stock number Z9565XX. 41,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, tungsten metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 8 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. The middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera. 60/40 split. Third row seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, as well as backup camera display, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the center console, as well as a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.